The UK has revised its travel policy to include Covishield as an approved vaccine after India raised strong objections and warned of tit-for-tat measures. But Indians double vaccinated with the shot still have to quarantine. The updated UK guidelines do include a Covishield in its list. However, according to a UK High Commission statement yesterday, its government is working with India to expand recognition of the vaccine certification. So this suggests that the issue is not with the vaccine as much, but the implication is the problem is over the vaccination certification in India. The reactions to this news have been Adar Poonawalla of the Serum Institute of India has said to NDTV that we're delighted that Covishield is recognized. However, the matter for travel and quarantine is not resolved, and all those looking to travel should be careful and follow the guidelines. While R.S. Sharma, the CEO of the National Health Authority, to NDTV has said that there are no issues with the COVID or with the COVID certification, that the system is entirely WHO compliant. In fact, he says he even met with officials from the UK High Commission. Well, let's go across to Srinivasan Jain for more on this. So, Vasu, quite a twist in this entire matter. Till yesterday, everybody was outraged over Covishield not being accepted, but now the implication is that it's the the platform or the certification process that's the issue.
That's right. It's very puzzling, even as we break these details about exactly what is going on with the UK government certification process when it comes to allowing travellers from India. As you mentioned earlier, the problem appeared to be with Covishield. Covishield was not on the list of the vaccines that have been approved by the government, which were exempt from any kind of quarantine restrictions. Now, as you can see on your screen, is the updated text, which says that the formulation of the approved vaccines like AstraZeneca, which includes Covishield, have been approved. But at the same time, there is a group of countries, a group of 17 to 18 countries, which are being added by the British government, expanded list, whose public health authorities and the vaccination administration by those public health authorities has also been cleared. In other words, those countries do not, or people traveling with certification from those countries do not need to quarantine. India is not on that list because it appears there seems to be some issues to do with India's vaccine certification process, which the British government is not fully satisfied with. And that was the sort of the crux of the statement that the UK High Commission released yesterday evening in the middle of this flaring controversy, to say that we're actually sitting down with India, we've been in talks with India to expand the UK recognition of the administration of vaccines by a certified public health authority in India, which is presumably a reference either to COVIN or to the Ministry of Health. We're not entirely sure. So that seems to be now, in a sense, the new challenge, that first, partly or perhaps entirely because of the pressure from India, recognizing Covishield as a vaccine, but at the same time saying there seems to be an issue with India's vaccination process, which means that even if you're double vaccinated with Covishield, you will still have to, when you're traveling from India, you'll still have to go through the 10-day quarantine period. Now, again, what is the problem exactly with India's vaccination process? Is the UK worried about fake certification? Is there some questions they have about the COVID process? We don't know. We do now know, though, because of the conversation that we just had with R.S. Sharma, the head of the COVID app, which you reported, that they have been in touch with the COVID system. The UK High Commissioner appears to have met R.S. Sharma with some queries, but there still seems to be no resolution to that. So I think this is now going to be the new challenge, both for the Indian government, which is, in a sense, perhaps not going to take this very well, that the UK government is saying it's not Covishield, it's your own government certification process, which is a problem. And the UK, which is a long and very close partner of India, to sit down and try to resolve this.
All right, Vasu, thanks so much for joining. All right, well, thanks so much for joining us, and hopefully we will know more on what exactly the issue is, whether it's just a very, very minor technical issue that could possibly be resolved very soon.